Hi, I'm your teacher, Barbara Rademacher, and I thought I'd spend a few minutes with you helping you get used to a computer-based course if you're not familiar with it and the way we do things here at NWAC. Whether you're going to take an online course or a hybrid course or a computer-assisted course, what I'm about to show you is pretty much the standard operating procedure. So here I am at the NWAC homepage, and I'm going to click on My NWAC Connection. And my username and my password is in there. I click Log In. Now this is my NWAC. It probably looks a little different for you, but mostly it's the same. And what I want to do is I want to go to Blackboard, and Blackboard is right there. Okay, so I can click on Blackboard here, or I can click on My Courses and click on the Blackboard icon right here. Okay, I teach all my courses using Blackboard, as do all teachers here at NWAC. We're kind of forced to use it, but it's a really good program. All right, I'm going to choose one of my classes. How about Intermediate Algebra? Okay, so I'm going to click. And all of my classes look pretty much like this in the beginning. And I'm going to come over to the left here, where the menu is, and notice there's a Mymathlab link. I'm going to click on it. This is what you definitely need to and want to do, because this is the gateway to Mymathlab. What you need to do is register here, and a registration code is around $95. You can buy a code at the bookstore with your financial aid voucher, or you can pay for it with your credit card. But you need to get a course ID, not a course ID, but what's called an access code, and it will let you in. Okay, I'm already in. I'm the teacher after all, and this is what Mymathlab looks like. All right, the first thing you come to is the calendar that shows you what you need to be working on each day and each week of the semester. And it goes all the way through the semester. The syllabus is next. Sometimes it takes a while to come up. It's a very large file. But there's a lot of information in there that you're going to need. And once it comes up the first time, it usually is much faster the rest of the time. Come on, hurry up. Okay, I'm not going to wait for it. Maybe I will. It's almost there. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Here's the first page up here. Somebody's brain is exploding with math. Oh dear. Anyway, you want to read the syllabus, because there's a lot of really interesting information here that will tell you everything about the class. Here's where you'll do your homework, one homework set every week. Right now, you can only see the first homework set, but as we go along, more and more will become visible. Quizzes and tests is where you would take quizzes and tests. The first exam is not visible yet. The textbook, the electronic textbook, is right here. You don't have to go buy a textbook. Just by clicking on this button, you can open any chapter you want to open and start reading. Okay, let's go back up. Multimedia Library. You can open it for every chapter and every section, and you'll have the textbook. You'll have videos, animation, podcasts, videos, chapter tests, PowerPoints, anything you need to help you learn. And there's a link to the free computer TI-84. We need to use a TI-83 or an 84 in our classes. That's a graphing calculator. We're going to be doing lots of graphing, lots of calculating. And there's also a link to make an appointment at the testing center. You're going to be needing to use that as well. We will have tests in our room, but you're allowed to do retakes of the tests if you don't like your score, and you'll do those in the testing center. And so on we go and on we go. This is where you're going to do all your work, all your homework, all your tests, all the work that's graded, everything. This is the heart of the class. This is where you're going to do all your work, and this is where my videos will also appear with each of the homework sets. For instance, if I click on Module 1 Homework, there are videos that I made helping you learn how to do these homework problems. The homework problems also have here's a typical homework problem, and there are buttons designed to help you. You can get step-by-step examples. You can get a video here. The textbook will open here. There is the first page of chapter 7.1. All right, there's a calculator here, but it's just a little numbers calculator. On occasion, I fill out oh, that's not here. Interesting. Well, Ask My Instructor, however, is very important because that automatically emails me. You can type any question you might have right here. Okay, that's it. Let's review what we talked about. My Blackboard always opens at the announcements. Come over to the menu on the left, click on the Mymathlab link. After you take care of registration, you'll be able to go right in, and you have lots of helper links down here should you have any questions, and I have access to the email of tech support if you need them. Okay, you have to, if you don't want to lose your financial aid, if you're on financial aid, you are going to have to do that first homework assignment the first week. That's one of the rules of the school. You have to do your work the first week, or we let financial aid know, because financial aid funders don't want to pay for people who aren't going to do the work. Of course, I know you're going to do the work, or you wouldn't be watching the video. So that's true for online classes, for hybrid classes, for computer-assisted classes, computer-based classes, and even textbook classes. Okay? Everybody's got to do their work the first week. All right, this is it, and you want to get started as fast as you can. I'll talk to you soon. If you're in the online class, I look forward to maybe talking on the phone or talking on Skype or emailing with you. And if you're in my regular classes, I look forward to seeing you face to face and on the email. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.